Welcome friends. Let us solve the example number 2 of chapter 3, and the example is as follows. Romila went to a stationery shop and purchased 2 pencils and 3 erasers for rupees 9. Her friend Sonali saw the new variety of pencils and erasers with Romila, and she also bought 4 pencils and 6 erasers for the same kind of for rupees 18. Represent this situation algebraically and graphically. This is very interesting question. Let us solve. Because here are the two objects, pencil and erasers, in both the conditions, so we let that the cost of one pencil is rupees X and the cost of one eraser is equals to rupees Y. Here are the two conditions in the example, and for the first condition, where Romila purchased 2 pencils and 3 erasers for rupees 9, so in case 1, when 2 pencils and 3 erasers are purchased, then the algebraic representation of this condition will be 2 pencil, this means 2x, 3 erasers, this means 3y, is equals to 9. Because we have multiplied the number of pencils with the cost of one pencil, then it is the cost of 2 pencils and this is the cost of 2 erasers, and if we add the cost of both erasers and pencils, then we have rupees 9. So we write 2x plus 3y equals to 9. And for the second condition, when 4 pencils and 6 erasers are bought for rupees 18, then in this condition we shall write 4x plus 6y is equals to 18. So these are the two linear equations in two variables. So this is the algebraic representation of both the conditions, and now we shall represent these two equations graphically. And for that, first of all, we shall draw a table for the equation number 1. For equation number 1, we shall draw a table which contains at least 2 solutions of the given equation, and therefore this is the solution table. Here we shall write x, here we shall write y, and the equation is 2x plus 3y equals to 9, or we can write it as y equals to 9 minus 2x over 3. So if we take x equals to 0, then if we put 0 here, this is the first condition. When x equals to 0, therefore y will be equals to 9 minus 2 into 0 over 3, or we can write it, it will be 9 over 3, it will be 3. So if x is equals to 0, then y is equals to 3. This is the one solution set. Let we denote it by capital A, and this is point B and this is point C. And if we put x equals to 3, then we have y equals to 1. You can see it, this is the second point. When x is equals to 3, then y is equals to 9 minus 2 into 3 over 3, and if we solve it, then it will be 3 over 3, this means 1. So if x is equals to 3, then y is equals to 1. Or we take x equals to minus 3, then y is equals to 5, and you can see here, this is the third condition. When x is equals to minus 3, then y is equals to 9 minus 2 into minus 3 over 3. This means 9 plus 6 over 3. This means 5. So now we have the 3 points, 3 solution set of the given equation. And now we shall draw a table for the equation number 2, and that is 4x plus 6y equals to 18. Here we have x, here we have y, same as y will be equals to 18 minus 4x over 6. If we take x equals to 0, then y is equals to 3. Same as if we take x equals to 3, then y is equals to 1. If we take x equals to minus 3, then we have y equals to 5. And now we shall draw this solution table by using the graph. Let this is the point P, and this is Q, and this is R. And now we shall plot the points in the tables on this graph paper. And the first point is, if x is equals to 0, this is x equals to 0, then y is equals to 3. So first we have this point, and we shall denote it by point A, and A is 0 and 3, and the second point is 3 and 1, and here is 3 and here is 1. So this point is 3 and 1. We shall denote it by B. This is 3 and 1. And the third point is 3 minus 3 and positive 5. Here is minus 3 and here is positive 5. So this point is C, and this is minus 3 and positive 5. And now we shall draw a straight line through all these 3 points. So this line is the graphical representation of both the equations. So we shall denote it by this is the line of 2x plus 3y equals to 9, or we can say that this line is 4x plus 6y equals to 18. So this is the solution of the example. Thank you.